This is the North Face STORMBREAK 2 tent. I've been using this tent for quite a while and I'm amazed by its quality and features. First, these are the specs of the tent. The stuff sack bag is 20 inches long and 7 inches in diameter. Altogether, it weighs 2.41 kilograms. What's inside the bag? We have the tent fly, the body of the tent, 4 poles, 2 long ones and 2 short cross poles, and 10 pegs. Now, let's set it up. There is a red tab on one of the corners of the tent, so it's easy to identify which are the right sides. After standing the long poles, you can hook the cross poles, which creates a lot of headroom inside. It also serves as an additional anchor points for the fly. Boom! Ang ganda! The North Face sent me this golden oak pavement color which really outshines. Pag ganito sa campsite, napaka-visible. And here are the features that I love about it. This is a 2-person tent with 2 doors. Dun pa lang solve ka na because of its ventilation and its flexibility to go in and out on both sides. The tent doors have multi-zippers on each sides and you can roll it for a better view and contemplate on life. Teka, nagpaalam ba ako na akit ako ng bundok? You can also make it as a small tarp outside. And you can roll the sides of the tent, which is a great little addition. It has 2 guy lines on each sides for more stability during harsh conditions. Now, let's go inside. Opening the doors are easy because you can stuff them into mesh pockets. It is spacious. The length is 87 inches, width is 50 inches, the height from the tent floor to the top is 43 inches. There's a lot of headroom inside. I love that it has 4 deep side pockets, which is also accessible if you need to get something while you're outside of the tent. It also has loops inside for a gear loft or things you can hang on, and most importantly, the center for the tent lamp. Most of the body tent material is mesh. The vestibules, which are the space inside the tent fly, are spacious, which is 29 inches. Overall size is abundant for 2-person. The material of the tent fly is absolute waterproof. Whether summer or rainy season, the ventilation is amazing. Now let's talk about cons. Very few. First is the weight. It is 2.41 kilograms, which is heavier for me because I was used to a smaller and lighter tent. But the quality outweighs the weight, so I can compromise on that. Mahirap buksan at isarado yung doors kasi sometimes the zippers gets caught and it can be frustrating kapag nagmamadali ka, but patience is a virtue. It doesn't come with a ground sheet. You have to buy it separately. But based on experience, when you have a rubber mat, insulated mat, or inflatable sleeping pad, it's still fine. Other than that, it's all good. So there you have it. The North Face STORMBREAK 2. This tent is a great value for money. As a person who regularly go on adventures, a personal tent is a necessity. Having a private space while on campsite makes the experience easier. And after a long day hiking, it's nice to have a lot of space to stretch out, relax, and embrace nature's presence. A tent is like a home outdoors, and investing on a quality one makes your adventure more enjoyable. Thank you, the North Face Philippines. You can purchase this tent on TNF Stores or order it online through their website, thenorthface.com.ph. Link is in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!